You've seen it all. The votes have been cast, the counting, the sorting, counting, and everything. What's your impression about this election?
Well, I don't know. It's yet to play out because in so many places, it's either the staff there refuse to sign the result and upload, that they're going to now take the result up to the collation center. You are seeing what happened here. You had to take intervention of some of the security agencies who came here before they now started uploading. Before, they said it wasn't uploading, but now it suddenly started uploading. And maybe if this wasn't my area, maybe it would have been the same thing as happened. There's a place where they don't even have result sheet in Mbise, Abombise. You see, so the thing is crazy because we're winning massively on the ground. They are trying everything humanly possible to fight and thwart it. But we will not allow it. I hope INEC is hearing me now. We will not allow it. IMODECIDES will not allow it. They should declare our results the way they are. They can't go and change our results. And they are planning to attack this thing as it's moving. So that's why I'm happy to see all these military presence here, security agents. So they will escort it peacefully, to the collation centers. So I mean, the APC government, they should be ashamed of themselves. This Imo State. They have lost the election and they are trying to change the results.
So have you been able to communicate security personnel?
Yes, well, we have been ones who have been calling them that made them all come around. You understand? So it's crazy. The information has it that they even moved all the things to the house of a traditional ruler. Also, it's worse. It's madness. It's like, okay, they are now doing cluster voting, and then people are not coming there. Use military to block all the people so that they won't be coming out to vote. They now brought people with cars, buses, claiming that they're people who are away from home. So they want to hire people to come and vote. So
in some parts of the Keduru, there are reports about snatching of boxes.
Yes, so many.
With some persons sustaining injuries.
Yes. They beat up so many of our boys. They beat up so many of our agents. Well, in fact, we are going to upload all their pictures. They beat up a lot of our agents. This is crazy. This is what our democracy has, come to. But we are resisting. Can't you see the people here?
Yes, sir.
They will not allow it.
I
hope it's the same thing going on everywhere.
We will not allow it.
So that we can have proper democracy and bring in good governance.
In those areas, are you suggesting that they should cancel the results?
Of course, where this is happening, they must cancel it now. There is no other alternative than to cancel it, so that every person will come there and watch it conducted. So
if need be, let them cancel the result, the election. Let it be inconclusive, so that we take care of those areas.
So according to laid down electoral laws, it is right for a party that sees irregularities to officially write to inform INEC.
We are writing to INEC. By this night, INEC will get our letter. We will get all these reports from all the various booths and the polling units. Gentlemen, you have been here. You are seeing it for yourselves. It's for you people now to tell the whole world what you have seen today, what has been happening. And then observers have been here everywhere, traditional observers. So this governor has to get out of that place, honestly. See what he did the last time in the House of Assembly elections? He now moved his police commissioner that he used to rig it to Adamawa. You look at what they did there. So the whole world should know that that's his character. Yes, there is no voter turnout because people are still scared. When military started moving around, even up to today, when they saw a lot of military, they thought they have come to attack them. And they see, this military should have had town hall meetings, especially after the bombing in Okigwe and the killing just close by here. They came and burned some houses. The military are the cause of this poor voter turnout. And they have gone around to sensitize the voters that look, they are here to protect them. Because the voters know the military are people who killed them and burned their houses. So you see, that's the problem.
We also just got reports. I don't know if you had that in that or not. The Tiger Base people went to mop up uncollected results. From
Tiger Base, that is still here. I'm surprised. They removed the commissioner and kept the man who even disobeyed the commissioner. Yes, the main culprit. And he went to that or not and collected all the results from there. So all those places should be cancelled. I'm calling for their cancellation.
So what do you say to IMODECIDES generally?
IMODECIDES, there is hope. See how Bola Ahmed Tinubu is starting now. See how the military and the agencies protected the places they want to protect. But the places they didn't want to protect, only God knows why they didn't want to protect those areas, especially in Olu zone. So we are going to find out and make sure that those security agents who were posted there will pay for it. And then especially this Ola, who has gone there now to hijack the police in either turn not and everything. So they will make sure that they are held accountable.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.